In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in the Luxembourgish language. Now, whether you want to translate the front page of ChatGPT or you want to have a full-on conversation with ChatGPT in the Luxembourgish language, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in order to make that happen. Now, with that said, I do want to mention one thing. ChatGPT is currently only officially available in the English language because, as you can see on the left-hand side here, there isn't actually a settings button or a language button. Any way to change the language on ChatGPT. So with that said, I did find a way around that. Now I am using Google Chrome on the Windows PC, so if you use a different browser, operating system or device, the process for what I'm about to show you might be a little bit different. So at the very least, please make sure that you stick to Google Chrome because I'm not sure that the feature I'm going to show you is available on any of the other browsers. So once you're on ChatGPT, right click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate to, and in my case it's English, so to add Luxembourgish, click on the 3 dots, then click on choosing a language. Then click on the little arrow here, and from this massive list of languages here, look for Luxembourgish, which is right there. Then click on Translate, and as you can see, within just a second, ChatGPT is now fully translated in the Luxembourgish language. So, when it comes to having a conversation with ChatGPT, you don't actually need to do anything. All you have to do is simply talk with ChatGPT in Luxembourgish, and it will automatically take the language and revert back to you in that same language. Just to test this out, I've gone ahead and copied the phrase, asking how are you, and let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now, if it gives you an error or if ChatGPT takes a little too long to reply, all you have to do to fix it is simply refresh the page and give it another try. And within just a few seconds, ChatGPT should come back to you with a response, as you can see, in the Luxembourgish language. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.